बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। अस्सलाम वालेकुम व्यूअर्स, वेलकम टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल। आज की वीडियो में हम AFNS इनिशियल टेस्ट एक्सपीरियंसेस को डिस्कस करेंगे और इसमें जो क्वेश्चंस हैं उनको डिस्कस करेंगे। ये AMC के जो इनिशियल टेस्ट होते हैं, ये आर्मी मेडिकल कॉलेज के टेस्ट होते हैं और ये बॉयज़ के लिए होते हैं, गर्ल्स के लिए नहीं होते। गर्ल्स के लिए AFNS होता है, लेकिन ये क्वेश्चन तकरीबन जो है वो सेम होते हैं। सबसे पहले डॉक्यूमेंट्स देख लेते हैं कि कौन कौन से डॉक्यूमेंट्स रिक्वायर्ड हैं। तो डॉक्यूमेंट्स में आपकी रोल नंबर स्लिप जो कि आपने डाउनलोड करनी है आर्मी की वेबसाइट से अप्लाई करने के बाद, उसके अलावा इंटर की मार्कशीट, और अगर आपने सेकेंड ईयर के भी एग्ज़ाम दिए हैं तो होप सर्टिफिकेट पे अप्लाई किया होगा तो आपने होप सर्टिफिकेट अपने कॉलेज से लेना है और फर्स्ट ईयर की मार्कशीट जो है वो लेकर जाना है। अब क्वेश्चन को डिस्कस कर लेते हैं। पहला क्वेश्चन जो है वो है, द कार ट्रेवल्स 60 किलोमीटर पर आवर, the train is moving twice the speed of car, then train will cover how much distance in 30 minutes? We prefer fruits dash sweets. We prefer fruits over sweets. In the story of the thirsty crow throw pebbles into the jug, what type of learning it is? It may be insight learning, पर मेरे पास जो राइट ऑप्शन था वो था latent learning। आप एक दफ़ा इसको क्रॉस चेक कर लें। Number of sigma and pi bonds in anhydride of sulfuric acid. Elimination reaction are not favored. आगे ऑप्शंस दिए गए हैं, हाई टेम्परेचर, वीक बेस, लो पोलर, सॉल्वेंट। To shut down immune response, which cells are used? Options: helper T cells, suppressor T cells, plasma B cells. In cell mediated immune response, which cells are used? ऑप्शंस हैं T lymphocytes और B lymphocytes. Which cells are involved in human immune response? B lymphocytes or T lymphocytes. A vessel containing volume of 2.38 dm³ at 35 degree centigrade. Then the new volume is, आगे ऑप्शंस दिए गए हैं 1, 2, 3, आप देख सकते हैं। I would rather he dash to school. I would rather he is going to school. यहाँ पे going लिखा हुआ है, इसके साथ is भी आएगा। I would rather he is going to school. How many moles of oxygen required to burn 1 mole of benzene? There was a question to find initial velocity from conservation of momentum topic. Which hormone retains pregnancy? What is the answer of 2 plus 2 by 2? It's 3. If today is Friday, then day after tomorrow is Sunday. If fourth day of the month is Monday, then 21st day of the month will be. If 15th day of the month is Sunday, then fourth day will be. Number of months in a year having 31 days, 7 months. According to which equation, when velocity of the fluid increases, area of cross section increases? What are strong reducing agents? Strong reducing agents among halides. Which type of alcohol give oily layer in heating? U is equal to minus W in which case? Maximum work is done in what case? At constant temperature, the curve obtained is isothermal. Superconductor are at what temperature? Ceramic material becomes insulator at what temperature? 0 Kelvin. The resultant of two forces 5 Newton and 12 Newton, which are mutually perpendicular to each other, is 13 Newton. At constant temperature, first law of thermodynamics become Q is equal to W. The mass of 2 kg wire is stretched to 2 cm. To stretch it into 4 cm, how much work is required? If the P type is grounded and N type is 2V, then diode conduct forward. Find the work of 10 kg mass whose speed increases from 2 meter per second to 8 meter per second is 300 joule. The number of electrons denoted by EDTA. When anhydrous copper sulfate is hydrolyzed, the color change from. Which one has highest magnetic moment? आगे दी गई electronic configurations. Maximum electrons are occupied by subshell, giving as n is equal to 3, L is equal to 1. That's 6. Which one has great dispersion forces? All halogens were given in the options. Which has largest bond angle? And the options are given. इनको स्क्रीनशॉट ले लें प्लीज़. Which type of acid formed during anaerobic respiration in muscle cells? Lactic acid. Which bacteria are used from nitrogen fixation? What is the use of lithotripsy? During photorespiration, the rubisco combined with CO2. The first stable compound formed during Krebs cycle. Decomposers, e.g. a worm that digests dead matter is on 5th topic level, while lime is. Which plant is waxy and succulent? Xerophyte. The 15th day of the month is Monday. What will be the day on 3rd day? The dimensions of H by MC is equal to. Which test is used to distinguish aldehyde and ketones? 90% of 90, 1/3 of 1/10 of 120, 1/3 of 1/10 of 90. My brother's sister is your mother. Who I am to you? Ali is moving toward north. Suddenly he changes his direction and turns toward right. What is his current direction? There are 30 passengers in the bus. 2 by 3 are males. Tell the number of females. In a class of 1500 students, 1200 are present. What is the percentage of absent students? A train covers double than a car. If car covers 60 km per hour, then how much distance train covers in 30 minutes? Boys write 5 papers in 5 minutes. How much a boy will take to write a paper? 5 minutes. If the sum of 9 and 7 is 16, then mark A, otherwise B. We boil milk to kill the germs. Parents send their children to school for grooming. Bat can't hear and snake cannot see. Sides of prism. Plain prism की I think 5 sides होती हैं. Which experience the electric force? Its hadrons. Chlorophyll is soluble in. Hybridization of IF3. Number of sigma and pi bonds in acetylene. Color of meat in red is red due to presence of. Carboxylic acid react with which to form acid anhydride? If 1:4 is the turn ratio of transformer and 4A current is in primary coil, find the current in secondary coil. Esterification is the reaction between carboxylic acid and. If the pen is bought in Rs30 and sold in Rs40, find profit in percentage. DNA and RNA differs on which basis? It's sugars. 2 wires carrying current in same direction, what will happen? Study of aging is called. EEG is the study of radiation in. Number of hadrons, number of hydrogen atoms in 1.6 gram of CH4. 1 mole of methanol and 1 mole of ethanol will have same. Which group will decrease the acidity of benzene ring? Why people read newspaper to get knowledge? Chitinous organisms with joint legs are from which kingdom? The type of behavior of street dog. तो ये थे क्वेश्चंस जो कि AMC में पूछे जा रहे हैं और उनके एक्सपीरियंस में से ही ये क्वेश्चंस लिए गए हैं. इसके अलावा कुछ इंपॉर्टेंट टॉपिक्स हैं जो कि नेक्स्ट वीडियो में इंशाल्लाह डिस्कस किए जाएंगे. सो मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में नेक्स्ट एक्सपीरियंस और नई चीज़ों के साथ. तब तक के लिए अपना ख्याल रखिएगा. अल्लाह हाफिज़.